exercise. Last time we have completed up to 3. Look at question number 4 from exercise 8.1. It says, in a triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q is equal to 130 degree. And angle P plus angle R, there is a triangle P, Q and R. Given angle P plus angle Q is equal to 130 degree and angle P plus angle R is equal to 120 degree. This is number 2, this is number 1. Now you have to find all the angles of a triangle here. Now what we are doing to find all the angles of triangle PQR. Now what we are doing, adding 1 and 2. So what do we get? Angle P plus angle Q plus angle P plus angle R is equal to 130 degree plus 120 degree. Or it gives you angle P plus angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 250 degree. Now this angle P I am writing as angle P, and this angle PQR I can write it 180 degree is equal to 250 degree. Why? Sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. Or what do we get? Angle P is equal to 250 degree minus 180 degree, or angle P is equal to 70 degree, is it? Now we have angle P, we got angle P. So angle Q is equal to 130 degree minus 70 degree. In order to get 60 degree, angle R is equal to 120 degree minus 70 degree, or we get 50 degree. So therefore angles of triangle PQR is equal to 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. We got these 3 angles. Now question number 5, it says the angles of triangle are x plus 10 degree, x plus 30 degree and x minus 10 degree. Find the value of x and also find the measure of each angles of triangle. Number 4 is written. Now look at number 5. Angles of triangle are x plus 10 degree, x plus 30 degree and x minus 10 degree. Is it? These are 3 angles given to us. Therefore, so we can write it x plus 10 plus x plus 30 plus x minus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180. Or we get x plus 10 plus x plus 30 plus x minus 10 is 180. This minus 10 plus 10 I can cancel. So 3x plus 30 is equal to 180. or 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree, or 3x is equal to 150 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. Therefore, angles are, first was x plus 10. So that gives you 50 degree plus 10 degree, 60 degree. X plus 30, that gives you 50 degree plus 30 degree, that is 80 degree. And x minus 10, that gives you 50 degree minus 10 degree is equal to 40 degree. These are three angles. Question number 6. Use the given figure to find the value of y in the terms of P, Q and R. Now, you just see the figure which is given to you. Question number 6. This is quite different than the triangles figure, is it? It is a figure of concave polygon. As you know, the polygon which has at least one angle or more than one angle, more than 180 degree, is known as concave polygon. This angle is represented by R and this angle is represented with Q degree. This is Y degree. This is P degree. And this is R degree, is it? This is given to you. Now, from figure, what do we get? R is equal to 360 degree minus Q. Why? It is a complete angle. This is forming a complete angle. This full is forming a complete angle. So, complete angle. And again, P plus R plus Y plus capital R is equal to 360 degree. Why? Sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is sum of interior, four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. You have learned already. Now, so what do we get here? P plus R plus Y is equal to 360 degree minus R. Or here also we can do it. Q is equal to 360 degree minus R. We can write it, na? Q is equal to what do we get? 360 degree minus R. This is number 1 and this is number 2. So from 1 and 2, see, I brought Q this side, so positive Q, R came this side, so minus R. So from 1 and 2, what we can write it? P plus R plus Y is equal to Q, or Y is equal to what will be the value of Y? Q minus P minus R. Is it? This only we have to find Y in the term of P, Q and R. So this will be, again I am saying you just see at this point R and Q, it forms a complete angle 360 degree. So what will be the value of Q? 360 minus R, what we have got. And again P, Y, R, and this angle, this R is forming the four angles of a quadrilateral. We know the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So P plus Q, R plus Y is equal to 360 minus R, we can write. Both are equal, 360 minus R, 360 minus R. So therefore left side also will be equal. So P plus R plus Y is equal to Q. So Y is equal to Q minus P minus R. Look at question number 7. In the given figure below, if R is parallel to PQ, then find the value of angle Y. Now here you have to get two works you have to do. First, 5x plus 4x plus 9x is equal to 180 degree. Once you get the value of x, you can get the value of 5x, and the 5x and y will be equal because they are alternate angles. Hope you can write it. Look at question number 8. In the triangle PQR, the internal bisectors of angles Q and R meet at A, and the external bisectors of Q and R meet at B. Prove that QAR plus QBR is equal to 180 degree. Now look at question number 8. 7. Get all the three angles. You don't need to get all the three angles. Get the value of x, then get the value of 5x. That will be equal to the value of y, as y is the corresponding angle to 5x. Now you just see question number 8. In triangle PQR, P, Q and R. Now internal bisector of Q and R. Just example, this is the internal bisector meet at A. They are meeting at A. And the external bisector of Q and R meet at B. This is the point A and this is point B. You have to prove this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Let's see. These are the angles we have. What do we know? You just tell me. Sum of exterior angle and interior angle at the vertex, that is 180 degree. So will be to prove, okay, given, or just I'm not like this. Okay, given in triangle PQR, internal bisectors of angle Q and angle R meet at A, and external bisectors of angle Q and angle R meet at B. To prove angle QAR plus angle QBR is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now what do we know? From figure we can see A QBR is a quadrilateral. So angle QAR plus angle ARB plus angle RBQ plus angle BQA is equal to 360 degree. Sum of interior angles of quadrilateral. Is it? Now you just see this angle full is, we know it is 180 degree. At the vertex it is 180 degree. So half of it will be 90 degree. Is it? Now see, angle QAR plus angle RBQ plus ARP or AQB, BQA could be written, RBQ is written, ARB, I can write it 180 degree by 2 plus 180 degree by 2 is equal to 360 degree. Why it is written? The reason is, we know sum of interior and exterior angle at a vertex is 180 degree. Now we have bisectors, so it will be 180 by 2. Up also I have a bisector, down also I have a bisector. If this total is 180, what will be this? These are the bisector. This angle is formed with bisector. So if this is 180, so this will be 180 by 2. What I have written here. And QA comma QA and QB are bisectors. So what do we get? Angle QAR plus angle QBR is equal plus 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 360 degree, or angle QAR plus angle QBR is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree, or angle QAR plus angle QBR is equal to 180 degree. Proved. This only we have to prove. See, once again I am saying this total is 180. We know sum of interior and exterior forms 180. Now we are taking the bisector, the angle made with the bisector. So up, if it is, just imagine 60 only. So up is 30. And if this is 60, this will be 120. So this will be half of this, that is 60. If total is 180 and the angle formed by the bisector, that will be half of 180. So 90. This is 90, this is 90. So sum of this two will be 180. That is proved. So for today, leave it till here. Next day, we will be solving question number 9 onwards. Till then, you just practice. If there is any doubt, you let me know. Thank you.